Today we are going to show you how to oil your washing machine. First, let's open the protective cover. Here I need to explain you, only Vision and HV models have the protective cover. Then take out the bobbin and use the oiling pen to oil the hook. Here we recommend that you can oil the hook once your machine has been working continuously for 8 hours, and just one drop of oil each time. Next, find the oil hole on the needle plate. Insert the oiling pen twice a week, 2 drops of oil each time. Next, we start to oil the needle bar from left to right twice a week, 1 drop of oil each time. Then we use a screwdriver to loosen the screws, remove the panel, and use the oiling pen to oil the bottom of the needle bar. Install the panel after oiling. Tighten the screws. Press the needle selection button to select the number 12 needle. If your machine has 50 needles, then select the number 15 needle. Machine head starts to move to the right. When the guide rail is exposed totally, just squeeze oiling pen and evenly apply the sewing oil on the guide rail. Then we will continue to select number 1 needle. The machine head will move to the left and continue to oil the guide rail with the oiling pen twice a week, 2 drops each time. Next, we continue to choose the number 12 needle. Loosen the screw with the screwdriver, remove the metal plate, find the driver rod inside, and use the oiling pen to oil twice a week, 2 drops each time. Now we move on to the second part. In this part, you need to use the grease, and we recommend you make the maintenance every 6 months. First, find your color changing model. Loosen the screw with the screwdriver, remove the protective cover, manually rotate the black rotary knob. Brush with grease, and keep rotating the button to evenly coat the gears with grease. Reinstall the protective cover after lubricating. Next, select the number 1 needle. The machine head starts to move to the left. Find the circular position and brush some grease. Next, we use a screwdriver to remove this part of the metal plate, and then we use a brush to grease the camshaft inside. Continue to select number 12 needle. The machine head starts to move to right. Find the spindle cam in the same way, and then brush some grease. Okay, this is today's content, how to oil your washing machine. If you want to watch more videos, please click the subscribe under the video. See you next time.